Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Google Docs application for your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you must know that there is no official application for the Windows version of Google Docs. So in order to use Google Docs on your PC, you will need to either install an Android emulator and use the Android version, or you can install a shortcut on your desktop like this. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. Now considering you're already signed in to your Google account, you will directly be taken into this page where you can create a new document or open from your recent documents. Now in order to install the shortcut, simply click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. From there you will find the More Tools setting. Simply hover over and then click on Create Shortcut. Now you can give it any name that you like and click on Open as Window in order to open it in its own independent window. Now click on Create, and this will immediately open the Google Docs window on its own separate application that you can launch from your desktop shortcut. You can also create a new document and then repeat the same process from your web browser, so that every time you open up Google Docs from the shortcut, you will automatically open up a new document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Google Docs application on your PC.
How to download the Google Docs application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then type in Google Docs and start the search. Once you find the Google Docs application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of Google Docs on your smartphone. Once the download and installation is complete, you will see the open button. Simply tap on it and this will now open up Google Docs on your smartphone. Now you can use Google Docs to open up any document on your phone right away. And needless to say, you can also make any desired changes and edits by tapping on the edit button at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Google Docs application on your smartphone.
How to sign in to your account on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar simply type in docs.google.com and press enter. Now if you're not signed in to your Google account already, you will be asked to log in to your account. So simply go ahead and sign in to your preferred Google account. Type in your email address or your phone number and click on the next button. Now you will be asked to enter your password. Just go ahead and type in your password and click on the next button. You might be asked to confirm your identity from any other device that you are logged into. So simply tap on the code that is displayed on your screen on your other device, and now you will be logged in to your account. Now once you are logged in, you will end up on your Google Docs dashboard. You can now click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and start working on your new document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your account on Google Docs. How to add bookmarks to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs from the desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, go ahead and open up the document on which you want to set up your bookmarks. Now, once you open up your document, just select the section that you want to set as a bookmark. You can then click on the Insert menu and then scroll down and you will find Bookmark. Just click on it and this will create a new bookmark for you. Now in order to set up a point which will redirect to this point, you can simply select the text that you want your viewers to be able to click to be redirected to your selected bookmark, and then click on Insert once again. Now this time click on Link. From the Links menu, scroll down and you will find Headings and Bookmarks. Click on this. Now you can just click on your recently created bookmark, and now once you click on this, you will be redirected to your selected bookmark. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create bookmarks on Google Docs. how to add signature to your documents on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs by using your web browser or the desktop shortcut that we created in a previous video. Maybe you want to check that one out if you don't have the desktop shortcut already. Now once you open up Google Docs, you can find various templates or your recent documents underneath. Just open up your desired document that you want to add your signature to. Now there are two ways of entering your signature. Simply hover over and add the cursor to where you want your signature to appear, and then click on the Insert menu. From here you can click on Drawing and then click on New. Now just select the drop-down menu and choose Scribble. Now you can just enter your signature using your mouse or a stylus if you have one. You can then click on Save and Close and your signature will appear underneath. You can now drag this to anywhere that you want it to appear and also resize based on your requirements. Another way is simply to add your scanned signature. So if you have your scanned signature in a transparent image format, then simply click on Insert and then choose Image. Now you can just upload your signature and this will immediately appear where you placed your cursor. You can resize this and position it anywhere you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add signature to your document on Google Docs. How to add Grammarly to your Google Docs application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in grammarly.com and press enter. Now this will take you into the official website for Grammarly. Click on Get Grammarly, it's free. And now you can sign up to create a new account or log into your account if you already have one by clicking on I have an account. Now after filling up a short survey, make sure you select Google Docs and then click on the next button. Once you are signed up, you will find an option to add this to your Chrome browser. Simply click on this and you will be taken to the Chrome Web Store. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button alongside Grammarly and then click on Add Extension, and this will install the Grammarly extension to your web browser. Now once the extension is installed, you will be taken into this page which tells you that Grammarly for Chrome is now active. Now once this is done, all you need to do is go to your Google Docs page. Type in docs.google.com in the address bar and now open up any document where you want to use Grammarly. After opening up the document, simply click on the Extensions tab at the top right section of your browser and now click on Grammarly. Now as soon as you activate Grammarly, you can take a quick tour or skip it by clicking on No Thanks. And now you will automatically see suggestions from the Grammarly extension. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install Grammarly on your Google Docs. How to add headings to your text on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in docs.google.com and press enter. You will now be taken into your Google Docs webpage. You can open up any of your recent documents from the list or create a new document based on your desire. Now once you open up your document, now in order to set up your heading, you will simply need to select it by dragging your cursor. After you select your desired heading, just look up alongside the fonts and you will see Normal Text drop-down menu. This is the text style menu, so click on the drop-down and now you can select from title, subtitle, headings and everything else. Now you have 3 different templates for headings, and since I want this to be the main heading, I'm going to click on heading 1. And now as you can see, the text that I selected has become a heading. You can also click on the Show Document Outline menu and you will see that your heading has now displayed in an outline. And that is how easy it is to set up heading on Google Docs. How to add a video to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to add a video to Google Docs, you will need to upload the video file to your Google Drive first. So let's just open up our web browser and then go to Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive page, simply click on the New button and then click on File Upload. You can now simply open up your video and this will begin the upload process. Once the upload is complete, just open up the video and then click on the 3 dots at the right side and click on Share. Now from the Share page, make sure you click on the restricted drop-down menu and select anyone with the link. Now all you need to do is click on Copy Link and now click on the Done button, and now simply go to your Google Docs. Open up the document where you want to link your video and then scroll over your cursor to the point where you want your video link to appear. Now all you need to do is paste in this link. And now after pasting your link, simply tap on the Enter button and this will link your video onto your Google Docs document. You can simply click on the link and this will redirect you into the video. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a video to your document on Google Docs. How to add footnotes to your documents on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into your Google Docs account where you can open up from a template or open any of your recent documents from the list below. Just open up any of your desired document. Now in order to add footnotes to any section, just navigate to where you want your footnote to appear and place your cursor over there. After you place your cursor, simply click on the Insert button from the top menu. Now from the drop-down menu, you will find the footnote option, so just click on it. You can also use Ctrl, Alt and F as a shortcut for this feature. And now you will be allowed to edit your footnote at the bottom of your page. Just type in your desired footnote and you're just good to go. You will find the numbering of the appropriate footnote right on your footnote as well, and the place where you placed your cursor. And that is how easy it is to add footnotes to your text on Google Docs. You can repeat this process any number of times and it will automatically keep track and number the footnote accordingly. How to add hyperlinks to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open Google Docs using the desktop shortcut or your web browser. Once you open it up, just open the document where you want to set your hyperlink. Once you open up the document, you will need to have your link ready that you want to set up for your hyperlink. So just go ahead and copy the link that you want to set as a hyperlink. Then you can go back to your document and simply highlight the word or the entire sentence that you want to redirect into your hyperlink. Now just right-click and scroll down and you will find Insert Link. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you can simply paste in your link. After pasting it in, you can click on the Apply button, and now when you click on this, you will be redirected into the link that you set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add hyperlinks to your document on Google Docs. How to add text box to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Docs application shortcut on your desktop or open it up using your web browser. Once you open it up the document where you want to enter your text box. Once you open up the document, all you need to do to enter your text box is click on the Insert menu and then select Drawing. Then click on New, and now you will be allowed to create a new drawing. From the Format Options menu, you can simply click on Text Box and just draw your text box by using your mouse. You can then type in your desired text within the text box and click on Save and Close. And now your text box will appear on your document. You can resize and freely move it to whatever position you want to place it in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a text box on Google Docs. How to add a page on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, you can open any of your desired document where you want to add a page. In order to add a page, simply scroll over all the way to the end and then tap on the Enter button, and this will automatically create a new page. You can continue this process by tapping on the Enter button until you get all the way till the end of the page, or you can also use Ctrl Enter to automatically create a new page. How to alphabetize on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up our web browser in order to access Google Docs. Simply type in docs.google.com and press enter in the address bar. And considering you're already logged into your Google account, you will be taken into this page where you can open up any of your recent documents or create a new document by clicking on blank. Let's just open up a document to find out how you can alphabetize a list. Now we have a document opened up. Now in order to make an alphabetic list, you will need to install an extension. So click on the Extensions tab at the top menu and then click on Add-ons. Now click on Get Add-ons, and from the Google Workspace Marketplace, you can simply search for Sorted Paragraphs. You will then find the Sorted Paragraphs option. Just go ahead and click on it, and then click on Install, and click on Continue button to accept the settings and link it with your Google account. Click on the Allow button, and now the Sorted Paragraphs has been installed on your add-ons. Click on the Done button, and now you can close this. After you do this, you can select all of your desired list entry and then click on the Extensions option. You will now find the Sorted Paragraphs option, underneath which you can alphabetize your list based on ascending or descending order. Once you click on it, it will all be arranged based on the alphabetical order that you selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to alphabetize in Google Docs. How to change the color of your page on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut, or you can open up your web browser and type in docs.google.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into your Google Docs homepage. Now let's go ahead and open up a document where I can show you how you can change the page color. Once the document is opened up, simply click on the Files and then click on Page Setup. Now from the Page Setup menu, you can change a whole lot of settings, but what we're concerned about is the page color. You can find the page color option at the bottom, and there will be a drop-down menu. Simply click on the drop-down menu, and now you can select from various colors that are available. You can also set a custom color by clicking on Custom. Just go ahead and select your preferred color, and from the top menu, choose whether you want to apply this to selected page or the whole document. After setting this from the drop-down menu, simply click on OK, and this will immediately change the color of your page on Google Docs. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your page color on Google Docs. How to check for plagiarism in Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs using your application desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you open it up, simply open up any document where you want to check plagiarism. Now, once your document is opened up, simply click on the Extensions option at the top menu. Then scroll over to Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. Now, from the search page, simply type in plagiarism and start the search. You will then find various plagiarism checking services that you can install into your Google Docs. Simply click on any one of your choosing and then click on the Install button. You can then scroll through the Continue button and select your Google account. Then allow access to the add-on, and now finally click on the Done button and you're good to go. Now in order to check plagiarism, just select your desired text and then go to the Plagiarism Checking extension and click on Plagiarism Checker. This will now start scanning your document and check for plagiarism across various websites. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check for plagiarism on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.